Welcome to Carrier Software Systems. It is our pleasure to bring you this training session covering an overview of HAP, the Carrier Hourly Analysis Program. Our objectives for today's class are: number 1, identify potential users for the HAP software. Next, describe the 3 primary functions of HAP. Number 3, list typical air systems and plants in HAP. And number 4, outline the support and training available from Carrier for the HAP software. Carrier offers a suite of HVAC engineering tools called eDesign. Notice there is a variety of programs for load calculation, equipment sizing, energy modeling, both schematic and detailed, life cycle economics, even refrigerant pipe sizing. HAP is the flagship of the eDesign suite because it does multiple major tasks. We will discuss those in this session. HAP is well known in the industry for over 30 years. It is used by MEP firms, A&E firms, design-build contractors, and other firms involved in load calculation, energy analysis, and green building design. HAP is used extensively worldwide. Universities use HAP for undergraduate and grad engineering curriculum work. Facility engineers in various government departments use HAP to analyze their existing buildings and design for upgrades. Users say HAP is very intuitive to use. Let's list its important major functions now. Number 1, it calculates peak cooling and heating loads in support of HVAC equipment sizing and selection. Number 2, for energy modeling, it is used for both initial schematic phase, which requires rapid modeling, or detailed design to refine and optimize the final HVAC solution. Number 3, it is widely used for lead energy documentation. Output reports from HAP are acceptable for submissions to the lead review process. HAP is also helpful for various code and standard compliances, like ASHRAE 90.1, 62.1, and IECC. Its focus is the commercial building sector, not single-family residential. It can be used for high-rise residential and industrial applications, as well as new construction, renovation, and retrofits. Because there are several modeling tools on the market, it is helpful to differentiate between the 2 major categories when considering software. On the left are the architectural energy modeling tools. Project architecture is still being developed when this type of software is used. These programs examine the energy consequences of architectural decisions, such as massing, orientation, building envelope performance, window-to-wall ratio, and shading. On the right is the MEP energy modeling software. The building architecture is pretty much defined before these programs in this category are used. Their focus is on energy consequences of HVAC design decisions. Also, the HVAC system configuration, control, and equipment performance. HAP is often used for architectural energy modeling requirements, like on the left, but its focus is on MEP applications like on the right. HAP's workflow and capabilities are designed around HVAC design needs. So HAP integrates system design, which is load calculation and sizing, with energy modeling. Nearly all energy modeling tools have some sort of system sizing elements. In some cases, the sizing features are just an initial means to get some equipment size to then concentrate on doing the energy simulation. In other cases, the tool has well-developed features for HVAC system sizing and design workflows. HAP is obviously in this group. For HVAC system design, HAP calculates peak cooling and heating loads with formal ASHRAE-endorsed equipment sizing algorithms. HAP uses what is called system-based design. You define the system type, HAP auto-identifies the system components in that system, and sizes them. Sizing calculations match the system type. For example, VAV and constant air volume require different sizing procedures in the areas of ventilation calculation and fan motor heat, just to name a few. Ventilation is the outdoor air load. The ASHRAE 62.1 ventilation rate procedure analysis is integrated in the HAP program. You simply pull down the type of space, it does the rest with all the required ASHRAE 62.1 corrections. For energy analysis, HAP can perform schematic design, rapid energy modeling, results involving simple skin-deep type inputs. To do this, it uses intelligent defaulting to generate fully detailed models automatically. For detailed design, also called design optimization, HAP will model detailed HVAC system configuration, controls, and performance. The third major function of HAP has been for green building design compliance. The LEED rating system references ASHRAE 90.1 performance rating method. HAP automates key portions of this procedure. An example would be the 90, 180, 270 degree rotation and operating cost averaging of the LEED baseline building. The software will accomplish this detailed task in a split second. Let's now list some of the key airside systems you can configure in HAP. They include rooftop units, split systems, air handling units, chilled water or DX, VRF, variable refrigerant flow systems, water source heat pump systems, geothermal heat pump system, fan coils, package terminal air conditioners, chill beam or induction beam systems, and DOAS, dedicated outdoor air systems, either standalone or part of a terminal air system like a water source heat pump, geothermal, VRF, fan coil, or chill beam loop. Not shown here but included in HAP are a variety of older existing building HVAC systems such as dual duct or multi-zone systems that mix hot and cold air. These systems are all configurable in HAP for performing before and after load and energy analysis for renovation project work. On the plant side, here are some of the specific HAP capabilities. It can model conventional chiller and boiler plants as well as newer equipment types like reversibles and heat pumps. Also, multiple chill water, hot water heat recovery schemes where chiller heat rejection is recovered for heating needs such as for VAV reheat coils or to preheat the building service hot water. Water side economizer is included along with variable speed pumping, primary, secondary, and primary only schemes. Also, cooling towers, steam plants, and district chill water, hot water, and steam systems are all configurable in HAP. Next, let's discuss the software support available from Carrier. For the US and Canada, the software is licensed like a subscription. You pay a very low yearly fee to maintain the license. For that renewal, you have use of the software, all updates, and very importantly, unlimited support by the US and Canada Software Help Desk, which is staffed by HVAC engineers. These support engineers have deep experience. All of them have worked in HVAC design, firms, sales, application engineering, or mechanical contracting. In addition to assisting with software questions, they can also advise you in the application of the software to engineering problems you may have. Outside the US and Canada, the software is locally supported and distributed in local language and time zones in over 100 countries. Make sure you review the specific training sessions on HAP help and support that complement this session on an overview of HAP. Let's now discuss software training, especially for HAP. It is tuition-based, conducted in cities throughout the US and Canada. The cities vary from year to year. The upcoming locations are on the website shown. You can contact your local Carrier representative for more information and options. Full-day courses are approved for professional development hours. 4 one-day courses for HAP are offered: Loads, Energy, LEED version 4 Energy, and Advanced Modeling. Alternatively, we can do VIP training just for your office. That could be on-site or remote web meetings. VIP duration and content are tailored to customer needs. As we get near the end of this training session, there is one last note. Carrier has a free 3-month trial version of HAP available. It is the fully functional version of HAP, same as you would get if you licensed the program. You can register for the trial on the website at the address shown. Thank you for attending this training session on Overview of the HAP program. We appreciate your interest in the software. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at the address shown here.